Hello everyone, this is Fawaz from Australia Unwrapped.com. This video is about the articles Digital Photography, a wide scope for business on Australia Unwrapped.com. If you have an urge and fascinating to excel professionally in the field of photography or even want to carry on photography as a hobby, you need to know fundamentals of photography. Digital photography has gained such a high popularity in short span of time, all because of big benefits over traditional photography. The use of digital photography may fall in all of the category hobby, personal or business. Depending on the motto of your photography, you need to have a specific type of digital camera. Next important device is the digital photography. In the digital photography is the storage device where actually the pictures taken occupy the space. The two most common type of storage devices are micro drives or flash cards. These storage devices are available in different memory capacity. You can start digital photography as a hobby and convert it into successful business easily with revolutions called internet providing you the necessary tools and favorable environment. Digital photography is an art which can master with time. Your initial digital photography work may look loosey, but after getting all the knowledge of using the digital camera in the best possible manner, you will be able to get best results and qualify in your work. For further details, click the link below and hit the like and subscribe button. See you down there.